Bébé gros cul, ouais. There we go. Oh, we're getting a little bit of green, chat. Those are his hands. Oh, so box number 6 and 7 are his little claws. And then 8 is going to be the head. There's a lot of pieces in here, though. Holy shit. All right, chat. We got 3 little piles of blocks. All right. Hi, what's up, Dwight? I'm so old, I'm in monochrome. Oh, shit. Have you talked to your doctor about this? Okay, we got a 4 block right here. Followed by a 3 right there. And then we put a little thingy like this. We're doing gray. Gray piece on top. 2 brown in the middle. Oops. 2 brown. Like this. And then the little hook piece. Like that. Stupid timer. Hey, sometimes, you know, the best things in life, you have to wait. You have to wait. The 2 little corner black piece like this. There we go. And then you put a 4 flat on here. And then another little hook. No, not a hook. A side piece like this. Like that. Chat is a hateful bunch today. Chat is chilling today. They're chilling. Who here eats ramen dry? Uncooked ramen? Dude, I used to do that as a kid so fucking much. I would crush the bag. Like, you know those 25-cent bag or whatever? $1. Like, back in the day, you could get, like, a bag of ramen for, like, 25 cents or whatever. And then you would crush them. And then you open the little bag of flavor. And then you dump it in the bag. And then you close it back in a bunch. And then you fucking shake it. And then it's like eating chips. I used to do that so much as a kid. Here we go. That's exactly what I'm doing. I haven't done this in so long, man. What the fuck is wrong with you people? Bro, it's pretty good. I totally did that exact thing as a kid. It's so good. Sociopath. Bro, it's tasty. It's literally chips. It's just like a little flavor pack fucking salty, crunchy snack. How is it hard to understand? It's amazing. Somebody came in to deliver a package, and I forgot I had the hat. I literally opened the door like nothing was wrong with me. Just like... And they were like, oh, it's your birthday. I'm like, ah, shit. Yes, it is. Yeah, the problem is it wasn't a delivery person. It was somebody from my apartment block that was trying to be nice. Yeah, I opened the door with the hat. No, it's not what I'm missing from UPS. It is, I don't know if you were here when we set up the camera the other day. There was, a little ledge issue at the bottom of this specific model of camera. So this is a frame that fixes this issue. When I do, because right now we have a setup, but it's temporary. Right now we got a setup, but it is temporary. The top down view. I'm gonna redo the top down view, but it's gonna be a little bit more stable next time when I redo it. And this is just a little frame that you attach to the bottom of your camera. And it allows you to... Because the problem that this specific camera has... The problem that this specific camera has is that its pin of attachment to mount it is right next to the door for the battery. So what ends up happening is you never have access to the fucking door. You never have access to the fucking door. So somebody made a bracket where you can hook this up underneath. So this way, like if you have like, you can mount your camera to the side away from the door so you can still open it. They actually fixed this in the next model, but for this particular model, it wasn't fixed. So this is pretty nice. This pretty much fixed this issues for the camera. And it was like 20 bucks or something, so it's pretty neat. It fixes a little bit of an issue that there is with the camera. It's a really, really good camera. It's amazing at what it does. The quality is great. The focus is amazing. Color reproduction is great. All of that stuff is like perfect. But it had a little flaw in the design that they actually did, where the door is right next to the hinge to support it. So that kind of sucks. But that little bracket will fix it. The only other thing I'm still waiting on is I rebought the base from Elgato because I don't think Elgato is gonna it's gonna take a while until they send it to me. So what I did is I repurchased the base and the flex mount, and those are supposed to arrive on July 18th, which is great. That means they're gonna arrive before before next time we do a Lego / Magic opening kind of stuff. No, I mean, I don't need the because today is the first day that we're doing this, but we're not going to be redoing this until in probably a week. Because my goal is to do the Magic Pack opening once a week, but the Lego once a month. So that would be the ideal goal. Okay. Well, chat, I got some good news. You guys are too late. Joining a little bit too late here. Joining a little bit too late. It is 5. It is past 5 for me, so which means we're allowed. It is legal. We're gonna go for our first. It is booze o'clock. There we go. If you do exclamation mark VIP, it explains the. If you do exclamation mark VIP, it explains the new VIP system, Kalodin. There we go. I've had an oversaturation of. I've had an oversaturation of people that I've been wanting to give VIP to. And I had to make a decision as to how we were going to do it in the future because I was running out of options pretty much. And what I ended up doing is resetting VIP. So every single person lost their VIP. I removed it from everybody. And then people can purchase it every month. Or if they're part of the top 10 sub-gifter or the top 10 bits cheers from the previous month, then they get it on the next month. So this way, it's just like a fun little thing every month. We reset it every month. It's not the same thing every month. And like that, it creates, I think it's more fair this way. It sucks for people that have had it in the past and that lost it. But there's people that deserve it that never got it, right? And that was my issue. That was the part that I was a little bit like upset about, or like, you know. I really wanted to create I really wanted to have this be a little bit more diverse where multiple people could get it. Yeah, it's always, you know, I was afraid of doing it because I was afraid, like, I know, like, some people might have joined the channel recently and they don't know, and they just talk in chat for the first time and then they don't have the VIP anymore. Like, I know that situation, you know, it's like, that's why I try to explain it as often as I can so that nobody gets here and like, shit, what did I do? You know, why did I lose it? It's everybody lost it pretty much. Just so everybody's clear, like everybody lost it. Just to be fair for everyone. Yeah, I mean, I think it's pretty neat. Okay, so we got to create a new piece here. This new piece is made from this. And this. I'm going to lower the cost next month, though, because barely anybody purchased it this month. So I think it's too high. I was hoping that more people would get into it, but I think the price might be a little bit too high for a single month. So I'll reduce it next month, just to make it a little bit more accessible. I want to see more people be tempted by it. I don't want it to be something that's like, you know, like it shouldn't be difficult to reach. You know? Ah, there you go, Kalodin. My bot automatically handles it as well, so it's pretty neat. My bot automatically handles it. You get it automatically. So that's really, really cool. It removes a lot of work. Is this it? I think it is. Nice, but it's broken? It's not. You got VIP. It's not. You got it. Yeah, you only get it for the remaining of the month. So in August, we delete it. In August, we delete and start again. No, I'm actually not building. It looks like the Infinity Gauntlet, right? No, we're building Grogu. I'm excited. The Infinity Gauntlet is one that I would love to have. Oh, we could add it to the wish list. Maybe that could be cool. Wait, I got this the wrong way, dude. Bro, I took 2 sips of beer and I'm already building Legos all wrong. Jesus Christ. You could add Ogward? Oh man, this beer is so good. It's really, really good. It's pricey a little bit though. Okay. It's not the kind of beer you get drunk on. It is, let me... There we go. It is this one here. Trou du Diable, la Pitoune. The side camera is not the best. You just hit 430 on your Prop Paladin? Nice. I should be hitting that pretty soon on my Warlock too. I got some Giga Ps this morning. I got a chest. Now I'm just missing No, I got a helm. Now I'm just missing a chest. And I can have my 4-piece destro. I think we're going to slap once we get 4-piece destro. Because 4-piece destro gets you massive damage increase. Like 10% or 8% more fire damage. So that's nice. Should we resurrect the Death Knight, chat? Is that like a thing we should do? Man, sometimes it takes me a while to find the piece I need. Okay, there we go. Hey, Unknown, what's up, my friend? Hello, hello. Thank you for the happy birthday wishes. Do it, Frost is Funning Key. I think you forgot to turn music back on earlier. Now it's on. It's just not very loud. It's just very, very quiet. Hey, Saraturas. Thank you for the 25. Thank you for the big 25. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you. And thank you for the happy birthday wishes. Thank you for the big prime. Okay. Can you guys see the... Oh. Yeah, while it's behind my head, you guys don't see it too well. So, first of all, can you guys hear the music? Yes? Oh, man, there's so much glare. Yeah? Okay. Man, I really want us to do this more often. I'm really enjoying it. I'm enjoying this so much. This is really, really fun. This is really, really fun. It was better before? What was better before? Have you guys opened the music? You mean because it was lower? What do you mean by it was better before? Have you guys opened MTG? No, we haven't. We haven't yet. We waited for you. Yeah. We got some good beer, man. We got some good beer. Oh, this one is a 4. Where's the piece? Oh no, picnic, picnic. Picnic, chat, picnic. I don't see a 2 like this smooth. Shit, am I blind? Oh, wow, it's like right here. Holy shit, I was picnicking, dude. I was picnicking. I'm missing a 2 here. Cheers, my friend. Cheers. You gonna try and build Lilith out of Legos? She doesn't exist in Legos. I would have to make her... What? There's no way that's happening. There's no way that's happening, my friend. I don't know, maker. Jesus. Yeah, I would have to have a lot of raw pieces. You would have to order like a giga batch of Legos. Would have to order like a giga batch of Lego. How cold is your beer? It's really, really cold. It's straight out of the fridge. Oh, it's so good. So good. So good. I got 2 more of these too, so you know what I'm saying? We're up all night to get lucky. Why did I sing that? Okay. So if I look at it this way and do this. Happy birthday. Thank you, Shadow. I appreciate that a lot. There we go. Fantastic. Wait, what? Oh. Oh, it's not this. There's another special piece. Aha, there we go. Wow, that's weird. And then you do this. It's like a reverse piece. And then you put a pyramid head like this. Oh, that's his little fingers. That's his nail. Look. It's just like his little nail. His little claws. Because they can open up and move like this. Like he has his little hand like this. That's pretty cool. And that's his that's the articulation here. That's his thumb, actually, because the two fingers are going to be here. And then you want to make another one of this. So you get another one like this. You get a piece like this. And then you get another little thing like that. Then you do this again for a second time. Lilith on Canada. What did you post? God damn it, I can't look at it. There we go. Do you guys see well, by the way? Like, am I doing it okay in terms of because I don't look at my camera feed too much. Look, that's his little claw. That's really cool, man. And then you finish it off with a normal piece like this. Like this? Okay. All right. Yeah, I think we're doing all right, right? We're seeing the steps. We're seeing everything along the way. There we go. So now we take this. Oh, that's his little sidearm. So now we go here. Which side is this? It's so tough to see. Okay. So this is there. So this is here. Oh my god, it just clicks. See, so now it starts taking shape. And the cool thing is you can move this a little bit here. You can even move individual fingers a little bit, not too much, but you can like close his paw. You can open up and close his thumb a little bit. You don't have too much control over his hand, but you have a little bit of control. You know? That is so cute. There we go. All right. And that's pretty neat because this block, you can remove it if you need to like fit it in like a box or whatever. There you go. All right, next step is next little arm. A 3. And a 3 like this. And then a 4 like this. Yo, Sierra, thank you. I need him to have Baby Yoda and our BB-8 and R2. Just think, someone got paid to not only design a model but put together instruction. Yeah, that's insane. That's what I was asking earlier. I wonder like what a job looks like as like a Lego designer, you know? Like, is it one person? Is it a team? Like, how much work goes into this? You've been trying to find BB-8, but you can't find it anywhere? R2, I saw R2 at one of my local store. He's massive, though. R2 looks nice. Yeah, I've seen R2 at my local game shop. Is it game shop? What do you say? Local LGS? One, two. There we go. There we go. Fantastic. R2 is also a banger set. He looks really cool. Probably sitting on a Lego chair designing on a Lego PC. Imagine that. That would be cool. It sounds very uncomfortable though, I'll be honest. Sounds very, very, very uncomfortable, I'll be honest. I wish I had more Legos. We're gonna get more though. Oh no, I'm kind of panicking right now. Okay. Sometimes when I don't find like the last piece, you know, like you just go like, where is it? Where is it? It keeps happening to me, bro. I kind of semi-panic. Shit. A cushion is mandatory? Oh, yeah, for sure. For sure. For sure. How many of you are sipping or drinking or anything tonight? Anybody else having a tasty beverage? You're on call again? Oh, no. How often are you on call? Is there any day of the week that you're like 100% free? Water? Gotta work tomorrow? Oh, no. I've been procrastinating going grocery shopping. Should I grab some brew? I mean, you know, it's my birthday, so I think so. God damn it. I'm enabling people. I'm enabling people. Hey, you can drink. It's my birthday. I said so. You're allowed. Once a week, every 6 weeks. Oh. Some high-class water. I can drink Saturday night when I get home. So how many of you are excited about the Magic the Gathering unboxing later? I know we got some Lego fans in the chat. How many Magic fan do we have in the chat? You've been drinking since 12? You mean a clock or years old? I'm just happy you're streaming. I'm happy you're here, my friend. Both? Okay, good. Yes. I mean, who didn't have, you know, like a little sipperino from, you know, like it's, you look at dad, he has a beer, you just go like, could I? Yeah, and he goes, okay, take a sip, and then you take a sip, and then you go like, yeah, that's good, and then you totally hate it. But later on, it comes back and bite you in the ass. You know? I had a couple drinks yesterday, probably take it easy tonight. Bro, it's my birthday. I'm the worst. Tequila shot? I don't have tequila. Never got into Magic, but it looks cool for sure. I was a lot into Magic when I was younger. I decided to get back into it because of the Lord of the Rings set that they recently released. And I'm a big Lord of the Ring nerd. I love the movies. I love everything Lord of the Ring. So I was like, you know what? I gotta get this set. I gotta open it. I need it. And then it got me back into Magic. I even started playing again online. I mean, I say online. I've never played online before, so I started recently playing online. And it's been fun. It's been really, really great. It's probably going to be a hobby that's going to cost me a lot of fucking money, as much as Legos, but... Too bad the One Ring has been pulled. Yeah, but there's still a lot of Ring, though. There's still a lot of other Ring. There's a lot of other serialized Ring that you can hit that are worth a lot. Yeah, but what is money for this? Yeah, exactly. That's what money is for, right? This, rent, food, you know, Magic the Gathering, in that order. Yeah, the one was special, I mean, obviously. But imagine if we got, like, a dwarf serialize, or the human ring, or the elf ring. You know, they're giga. Like, we're talking, like, big rings. If you get the serialized foil ring, man, whew, thing is gonna be looking hot. I'm trying to see what I want to do. Am I gonna, like, sleeve every card, or just, like, the important one, or... Because I'm collecting the whole set, I think I'm gonna sleeve the entire set. Most likely, I think. Yeah, probably sleeve the rare and leave the uncommon, right? Yeah, the owner of the One Ring is in Canada, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, I think I'll sleeve maybe. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Excited to see the binder you bought? Oh, yeah, that's true. We actually got the binder. I'm going to show you after this. They're behind me right now. I got 2 of them. I got some sleeve. I got some penny sleeve that they call from Titanium Shield. I got myself some hard sleeve as well, like top-down sleeve. And I got boxes, like nice little premium boxes. They're really, really sexy. And I got some binders as well. Keep everything... How much sushi is too much sushi? When the coma window is 5 minutes after eating. So if you immediately fall into a coma afterward, you had too many. If the coma is 10, 20 minutes afterward, then you could have eaten more. Yeah, I usually get, for myself, I usually get 3 to 4 roll. Usually I'll get like 3 big roll, 2 to 3 big roll, and then 1 small roll. Usually, I think. Even then, that's usually too much, but I push it down. You know what I'm saying? I want sushi, you know what I'm saying? So, you know. Fuck, do I get sushi tonight? Are you guys gonna make me get sushi? Are you still following along, Be Quirky, by the way? That's kind of cool. You've been sounds like you're getting sushi. I mean, people have been telling me to get poutine as well. Was the other option poutine and sushi? I mean, not both, just one or the other. Nah, packed it in. Gotta save what I've left with the nephew. All right. Sideburns. Thank you for the 19 months. Gas station sushi is always the answer. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. Every time I go to Costco and I see the sushi at Costco, I'm tempted to try it. I know I'm probably gonna be disappointed, but I'm still tempted as hell. Because they look good and they're cheap as fuck. But I don't know. I don't think that's a good idea. Like, physically, they actually look good, you know? Is there gin on throne? I wish. I wish, dude. Thank you, Touchpad. I appreciate that. How's your day going? Hey, Beastie, with the donation. What the hell? Sushi. Oh, really? That's how you're gonna do it? You're just gonna decide like that? Just gonna... Thank you for the 10. I mean, I got plenty of gin in the stack, you know. If you guys want gin, we'll get gin, you know. I hate them and they're good. Okay, they're not the equivalent of a good plate, but either the veggies one and the others. I mean, I'll try it out at some point, just out of curiosity, honestly. Which kind? My gin? I got Odyssey from Kepler, and I think the rest are empty. Oh no, I got the blueberry one from Kepler as well. I got Odyssey, which is my favorite one, which is the blackberry and blood orange. Absolutely amazing. Okay. Oh, yeah, we're building a little hand again. Let's go. It's funny because from where I'm from, Genesee is an old lady drink. It's kind of funny because here in Quebec, it started being very, 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 very popular. And a lot of distilleries started making gin again. And like fancy bottle, fancy flavor. And it's just started being like super popular again. It's just a really, really, really popular drink now. And it's good. I'm glad I love gin. It's amazing. It used to be like the cheap thing though, so thank you, Ryan Reynolds. Yeah. I like Seven Heaven and Loop in the cheap gin. Okay, we gotta get one of these with the pyramid. Wasn't Seven Heaven the name of Tifa's bar? Yeah. Actually true. Is there a gin called Seven Heaven? Hey, Shrangly, thank you. You look like 21? Thank you. I appreciate the lie. Sorry. I mean, I am making Lego, so, you know, it you know. Like when Ungava Jin was a fancy Jin, yeah. It's actually Cat Garlic that got me into Jin in the first place. Never too old for Lego? Yeah, that's what I keep telling myself. I found a website that makes detailed Lego minifigurine. They are two very detailed Lilith model. Oh, shit. Wait. There we go. There we go. It's impressive how shit snaps together really, really well. There we go. And then we put his little arm like this. Oh my god, that clicked in. Oops. Oh, there we go. Look at that. It looks good already. It looks really, really good. Oh, shit. You got a tornado alert? That's not good, dude. That ain't good. Yo, Renz. Thank you so much, my friend. Definitely a different stream. It's pretty cool, right? I like it, man. I'm really, really happy about the Lego stream. Oh, my God. Bag 7. Holy shit. There's a lot of pieces missing. What the fuck? Okay. Why do I have two? Oh, no. I feel like I shouldn't have two of these missing. $237? No, these are fine. Trying to see where these would go. 239 looks like it. Oh, you're right. You're right. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, dude. As I was building it too, I was like, this doesn't look stable at all. There we go. It goes right to there. I was like, this doesn't look stable at all. That makes a lot more sense. That makes a lot more sense. As I was building it, I was like, bro, it doesn't look safe, you know? Ah, there we go. Fantastic. Yeah, it's one of those things, like, sometimes you'll finish and, like, you're supposed to get one of each, right? So, like, one of this, one of this, one of this. Isn't the end upside down? You can flip it. You can, Okay. Now we start the head, chat. He's actually the mastermind. Baby Yoda's actually a robot. He's actually a robot, and this is his tiny seat.